Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on a new game on the channel. A game called no, not Master Draw. No, a new game called SummerGear, which I'm part of the dev team. I'm working with the developer of the game today. The is the first video on the channel, and well, I think I'm just gonna die trying to build the engine. You can see it is actually the last version released for a tester because the game is not public yet. It is only for tester, and I'm a tester. Fuck, I'm also one of the midi tester maker. Fuck, I'm not my what the fuck. So yeah, I'm testing, yeah, and I'm also making music. And also, as I know, is a true YouTuber. You should go check his video and double doing them. It's try 3D modeling. Light the radio, if I remember correctly. Graphic Ultra. There was more option before, I think, for the graphic. Well, we're gonna start. Okay, I have around 30 FPS only. That's a bit strange, but okay, well, the game is not totally finished and it's probably not well optimized. Um, okay, that's new. Also, it's the first time I'm playing that was working before. It's the first time I'm playing that update. Lol. Okay, it says dog now, that's new. That's that's actually a sound made by Miller. Well, we will taste that and we'll but that yeah. Uh, Prime with the cable of my mouse. I'm charging a phone at the same time, that's why. So we have everything here. We have what the fuck? The dog, please. Oh, that had me a dog here with literally no house around. I have a cool. We have different parts with optional part like something here. Oh, that's actually not a sound of mine. That's a sound because Asano is also making music. If I remember well, it's one of his sound. Well, anyway, we will let a bit of music. Don't want me trying to get my mouse correctly installed. Yeah, the engine. We still have a debug engine. Oh yeah, perfect. Because actually, I just nah, never mind. Enough. That try to build correctly the engine. It shouldn't be that hard. Hmm? It shouldn't be. Okay, I'm just dumb. I don't know how to build a fucking engine. You know. I don't know. I don't remember I've ever built one. Okay, that's still a bug. I think it was fixed, but it's too late now. Oh, fuck. Can you stop jamming it automatically? That's annoying. Yeah, it is indeed made. It is indeed made made by me. Him. What the fuck? What is wrong with me today? Well, as it's as an sound, I'm gonna put louder. But there's no radio in the car yet. Yeah, radio is lost somewhere, I think. Oh, if the dirt roll, if the dirt could shut up, it would be really amazing. Williams, that's supposed to go here. Oh, cool. I think I did forget something, maybe, but um, yeah, the collider are not off. We still can't turn like we want. Okay, water pump. I don't know what this is going. The trader are still a bit shitty. The filter, the spark plug. Oh, I actually can install it. I think I missed it. Oh, I love the traders are like the Master Card one. So messy. Literally. Oh fuck. Oh, I thought I did lost it for 1 second. That's supposed to go here. I, yeah, but I can't install it if I don't have that. Yeah, better. I think that's doing here, no? Fuck. Although I hope the record is good because as I'm using OBS, I'm still searching for the correct configuration. So I hope the sound is good. My voice is not too loud, but not too shitty over the game. Uh, I will just turn the engine. I think. There we go. I'm playing a bit with the micro, don't I? Okay. Now I can install it and play. I still can't install that. I'm missing something or what? Oh, I'm just dumb. Might be that. Wouldn't surprise me. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if I'm actually dumb. Because it is maybe a bit the case sometimes. Especially on engine, you know. Cranberry. Oh. Maybe with that one installed, I can install this. Oh yeah, now I can. Okay. I love the logic because in most of these games there's no logic. That one have no logic and fuck and logic at the same time. It's it's maybe the first time I'm playing this update, but it's also the first time I'm building the engine in this game. I did always use the debug engine here. That's maybe going. Yeah, something like that. The water pump. Why it is going? Water pump. Oh, wait. I got it. I had it. I fucking had it. I had the traders. Please. Oh. I think it's the other side. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, we have this. Maybe yeah. I don't know what this is doing. Alternator. Ah, I don't have alternator. So of course I can't pulse that. I can. What's this? Camshaft. Good. Clutch. What's the clutch doing? I don't know. The flywheel. The flywheel doing on the auto side, I guess. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we have the clutch. I'm not that dumb. I thought I was dumb or something. That. Hey, it's taking form. The engine is taking form. Camshaft. I think it is going inside. I think. Well, hopefully it's not like some. Hopefully it's not like Master Car. If you forgot one piece in Master Car, you have to You have to dismount everything. In same game, you just can install it through the engine. Yeah, I don't know TV. Very cool channel. I recommend you going to watch it. I maybe just gonna turn it to the other side to avoid problems like I had before. But okay, the ice filter, the starter. What's the starter drain? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, the, the Weber. I think that might go on the other side, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it? Oh, what's the zoom? There's no zoom. Alright. It's missing something here. Oh, dodge. What the? The dodge is not. It's so annoying. Camshaft here. There we go. Now that I have a camshaft here, I can put that. I suppose I can. Okay, I obviously can't. Um. Well, engine is built. At least that's done. So what is this? Oh, okay. The radio is here. We also have a battery. Also, you see, I don't think you can actually see. Try to show it. You see the oh fuck. There's not a table somewhere. Oh, maybe here on the. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I just gonna. Wait, I did start the radio or what? What the? Oh, I love the creators of the gem. Ah. So as I was trying to say, we'll put it here to show you what I did. Fuck. Oh, the fucking traders. You see the logo red pants. It is actually an idea of mine. I did made the name of that radio. Oh, there's another TV I didn't sell. Oh, I have a computer. Also, that's 41. That's a model made by our beloved modeler. Okay, it's a model made by our beloved modeler Carl Dudberg. As also that's something he also did for me. Oh, that's actually the old version. Look, because it is dirty and all. Still no caps here, lol. Yeah, that one is supposed to work as well. Yeah, it is supposed to. Wait, what? I did lose the radio. Fuck. Okay, well, MDG, if you look at video, something I think you will probably do. Says about if you made the radio down here, if you lost radio here, well, it's lost forever. You can't take it anymore. I don't know the fucking lights. There's no lights outside, of course. What the fuck is that thing? Oh, that's the toilet. I think there's no yes, there's no saving yet. There's what's about to say there's no light here. Good. And how I'm supposed to? Well, okay. I don't care about the paint. I just want to finish my freaking car. So I'm just gonna put the engine. Yeah, the wood is not instant. Take the engine. Ta take the engine. Yeah, thanks. And put it here. Okay. It is starting. Oh, yeah. Wait, I did forget the battery. That's important. I think. Oh, there's no flashlight or anything. I would love a flashlight actually. Okay, I think it's good to start it. Wait, is the wrong door? No, it's a good one, I think. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, fuck. It's, oh, fuck. It's just fucking annoying that you can't see and if is that normal? Uh okay, I want ask if it's normal or not. Okay, that didn't work. Will I a bit sad radio because it's mine. I would love to see the car. I hope the date is very soon. I think it is. It's still unbelievable that I was able to lost the goddamn it car radio. It did probably fall off the ground or disappear in the void, but maybe if I search here I will able to see it. Yeah, but I don't expect anything with the shitty traders. So yeah, I won't be able to find it. Alright, I'm I'm gonna let wait, what is that's not a sound by me. That actually the steering wheel is actually outdated because it is painted now. It is from our oh but gonna put back our beloved Asano. Well, while the day is coming, I'm gonna message MDG about the bird. Okay, message. Um, isn't it? What? Wait, what? It is normal that I can use the on outside the car. Okay, I'm gonna put just use all the. I don't think it is normal that I did actually made the car start without being inside it. I don't think it is even natural. There's no way to sleep. Should let no, we can't. It's annoying. When the night is so long. MD oh, yeah, okay. So MDG told me to press N, and I did. And so we have a flashlight. Cool. Uh, did I really just start the car by Bluetooth or something? I did. Okay. Mombas do starting sound. And then I did. Wait. What the? Okay. How did that? Okay. I don't know if it is supposed to work like that, but okay. Oh, wait, I'm dumb. How do I reverse again? Oh yeah, okay. 'Cause we actually have light for the car. I'm just set them. Okay. No, no. How do I pass G again? Okay. Um. Yeah. We actually have light. So why not using them? Yeah, they don't have texture ones in their own, but anyways, we don't care about that. Um. I think that's all. Yeah, we also have that. The bumper. We don't care about the rest because we don't actually need it. I'm just gonna. We don't care about the door ever. Oh, it's actually really. Oh, the sound is loud. Oh, wait, the control got. Okay, the control got remade actually. Oh fuck. Oh, I love my life. Come on, come on, come on! Yay! Okay. Yeah, I did forget we have that strange camera, that strange working camera. Well, at least the rear light do work. The front doesn't really. Yeah, they don't really work. Yeah, we can do flash. Oh wait. I did forget the most important. Since I don't have a car radio, I have to take the auto radio. The camera is really fucking weird, and the car is fucking loud. Oh fuck my ears, and the game sound is not even at max. I think I did some. I think. Does the floodlight work? They don't. Nice. That obviously does work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It does barely work. Oh, why the fuck the roads are that high? Something that should be fixed, I think, or at least I hope so. Although I would like to have a saving system. Yeah, I did come back just for you, radio. As I know TV. Oh, come on. Yeah, now we can fly. Oh, but the car sounds really annoying.
Welcome to Asano TV.
Yeah, driving with Asano TV in background. Perfect. I should have sit down to my summer car actually. Oh, Vanbright is not the same anymore? Oh, we can't use Vanbright anymore, I think. We... Wait, no we can? The fuck? Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, never mind, we can, okay. Yeah. And the night is for forever, I think. Okay, I think I'm driving out of the world. But anyways. Hey, jump! Oh, I lost the radio, shit! Oh, never mind, I don't think. I didn't lost it, okay. Oh, come on. Go on the road. The road, the road! What the fuck? What the fuck is... It is supposed to be normal. I think good is SummerGear. Yeah, now that is... As you all saw the game, I can tell you we all liked it. Anyways, I would say, was there something new in SummerGear, or why the fuck am I always saying my SummerGear when it's just SummerGear? What else will be new things and things like that? I will tell you and I will give new idea. If you want me to try to do more videos on the game, I will do. Just write it in the comments. Well, bye bye everyone and see you for new video. Bye.